Rosie is a bright red tank engine.
She used to work with Timothy on Solon's railway. However, when she became worn out,
Rosie was placed in a siding only to be steamed in emergencies. One day, Mike was taking some visitors on a tour around the railway.
You have a very fine railway, Solomon, but I must ask you, are all your engines this slow?
Suddenly, the gates closed, and Mike had to stop suddenly.
He's bumped us! Pay Mike out! Pay Mike out! So they surged forward and pushed Mike right off the rails.
Cinders and ashes? What was that for? You bumped us! Yes, because I needed to stop suddenly because the gates had closed.
Oh, sorry. Once Mike was put back on the rails, he limped home.
Who's going to pull the train while you're damaged to do it? Rosie heard the conversation. Please, sir, may I try? You, Rosie? The manager said I had to be steamed in emergencies. And this is one. Well, okay.
So Rosie steamed up and off she went.
It was noon by the time Rosie arrived. You should be ashamed of yourselves, and I am too. We're sorry, Rosie, the coaches whimpered. Rosie was coupled on, and for the first time in about 9 years, she felt the strain of coaches on her real coupling. Soon Rosie was out and about in the countryside. This sure beats being in the siding, said Rosie. Instead of watching the trains, I get to pull one. Suddenly, ow! I've got cramp! I've got cramp! The driver stopped the train.
Then carried out inspections.
He returned with bad news. Rosie, your gears are very stiff. They're not moving properly. I guess we'll just have to phone for a bus for the passengers. No, don't do that. I'll get them home. Are you sure? Yes, I want to be a hero like Timothy. Okay then. The driver pulled the regulator and Rosie, slowly but steadily, started off. As she struggled through tunnels and over bridges,
the other engines watched in amazement as the little red engine slowly puffed her way past.
Wow. Mike and the manager are counting on me. I can't let them down.
And she didn't, leaking steam from all directions and limping violently. Rosie forged into the station.
The manager stepped onto the platform. Rosie, I'm very pleased with you. You're a really useful engine. Yes, indeed, said the inspector. I have never seen an engine so determined before. So long, you have a wonderful railway with some very hard-working engines. Well, thank you. Well done, sir, said Rosie. That evening, Rosie came home to the siding, and all the engines greeted her warmly. Well done, Rosie. Today you really were the best engine. Thanks, everyone. But Timothy said the nicest thing of all. Well done, Rosie, the old faithful engine.